Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch.
What's poppin' 10? I'm deposit 10. All these ends, why you motherfuckers got to be? All this cops again. Eat a box or something. I such a little watch with some rocks or something. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin' 10?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I woke up with a zit, so I'm not feeling very hot today, but I'm about to do my hair. Well, I have a special guest that's about to help me slay my hair because I look damn crazy right now, and we having some wine and shit, and we gonna turn up and do some bomb ass crochet braids for y'all. Before I even get too sidetracked, I'm going to be using this crochet braid from ToyoTress. I might have chewed the name up, but this is what it comes in. These are some okay car or truck or whatever. These are some plaits, I think. That's what you call them. And they're a goddess look. These look so fire. Let me open it so y'all can see. And I took a gray color, but this looks like gray with blonde. I don't know, guys, but these are what they look like, and I think they look really nice. These are a goddess vibe, so hopefully at the end of this I can look, yeah. So my friend is here. Her name is Afrodip, and she has a YouTube channel. She has an Instagram as well. And the last crochet video that I did, guys, she was here and she did it. I mean, you saw how nice those were. Y'all know I hate doing crochet hair. You know that, so I needed to get this done, so I had to call her up. So y'all go say, you gonna go say hi or no? You gotta go say hi to everybody. Guys, so she's going to help me out right now and install these crochets. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Grab a drink. We're gonna have some wine and we're gonna do this video. Okay, guys, so the hair is braided down. I don't know why it's like this, because I feel like I'm gonna shave my hair off to take this out like this. So I think she put 1, 2, 3 individual plaits. So when the crochet hair is in this, it'll look like, like you have individual braids, but it's really not. So she had 1, 2, 3, and then she continues to braid in the back, and these are really small. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3 plaits, and then braid. 3 plaits, then braid. And we're gonna go crochet in and out, and then singles, right? So as we go further in the video, I think she'll better explain it, because I think I'm doing a shit job. I don't do crochet, guys. I'll do a crochet ponytail, but this is much. I know a lot of YouTubers be crocheting their hair on here, but for me it's just too much. I don't like doing my hair this long. It takes too much time. And now she's just using some wild growth oil on my scalp, because my scalp tends to itch a lot, and then the braids, it'll be really dry, and then it'll bother me even more. So she's just oiling my scalp, and then we're gonna get to work. But each of these packs, well, not packs, I would say maybe bundles, I think they have maybe 20 braids on them. Let me count them. I think I counted 18. I don't know if I can count because I seem to be really bad at counting today, but I think I think it's 18 each, so it's between 18 to 20 individual braids on this, and I have quite a few of these. I have several packs, so when it's finished I'll let you know how many packs I use. I'll let you know how many packs I use, so you can always use my head for reference in terms of how many you want to buy. It's 18, guys. I think each of them has 18, or maybe 18 to 20. I don't know if the others have the same 18, but I'm really excited for the look. Okay, guys, so the first one is complete. She did it so quick. How does it go in? You said I'm doing it in the loop. Pull it through. I remember from the last video. So open the latch. Open the latch. So open it. You go under, never on top, but underneath. Well, you can tell that the difference between going up and the bottom anyway. So you go underneath, you hook the braid onto the latch, you close the latch, pull it through a little less than halfway, and you grab the bottom, you put through the latch again, close the latch, pull it through the little hole, and then we pull it through. That's the look. And because it's crochet, you don't have to have them so close together, because once you are done, the finished product is going to overlap one another. So I'm going to do a couple more and show you guys what it looks like. So if you go from the top, open the latch, close the latch, get it here, the latch, close the latch, pull it through, and then this is what it would look like when you go from the top. And to be honest, I think when you go from the top, it looks more tighter, because then it's not showing this bump right here when you go from the bottom. So I think we're gonna go from the top. To do that from the top instead of the bottom. So we're gonna go from the top, the latch open, hook the braid, the hole actually, close the latch, pull it through, a little less than halfway, at the bottom, grab the latch, close the latch, pull it through, and you're done. It's really that simple. I feel like crochet braids are like the easiest there's thought to do, especially if you're on the go. It takes at most 2 hours to do, depending on how quick you are. Ace out the crochet, because like I said, when you're finished with the product, it's gonna look so much fuller. Crochet is meant for you to space it out, it's not meant for you to do it individually. It's almost as if you're getting, so this is it in the back, and I spaced it out on purpose. Like I said, I'm going to show you guys how it's going to come. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Cause you are what see me radar. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy? Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind. Where we're at, she's trying to do the top first and make sure that it's really full, and then she adds the, what is this? The around here part. So this is it in there? So this is what is left out right now. She's focusing on doing the top area and then filling in everything else. It was supposed to be a center part, but I don't know. This gave me a part, but it didn't really fall in the center as planned. So we're about to like just finesse it. Yeah, so this is how we're progressing. I'm gonna do the wrist and then I'm gonna come back and let y'all see. But she's gonna do the side and I'm just gonna record this part so you can see. If you didn't get how you're supposed to do the crochets, you can just like watch closely and see how we do this part.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one.
Okay guys, so the hair is finished. The verdict is still out. Y'all know I don't like crochet hair. Like, it's cute, but oh my god. How do y'all wear crochet all the time? Like, I can't. Like, it's really cute and it's so full. I ended up, well, we ended up installing 9 packs. Each has 18, so I have like 100 and something plaits on my head. That sounds like really like a lot. Like, I don't know, but I plan to style it. I'm not sure yet. I think I'm wear it down. I'm gonna like do my makeup and stuff and come back and let you guys see what I did with it. You can wear it on like either side still, based on how it's installed. If I could find a part, you can like wear it on either sides. I don't think I found the right part because I don't have a mirror, but you can wear it on like either sides. You can do different things. You might do like a little up shebang something, but guys, I'm definitely going to go style this and do my makeup and stuff, and I'll come back. I'm gonna do my edges too so it can look complete, because right now without the edges it's not complete. So I'm gonna do my edges, get my life together, and I'll be back.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor.